But most made it back, limping, battered but victorious. The sky over Berlin had changed forever. That night, after-action reports filtered into 8th Air Force headquarters. Confirmed kills, losses, fuel burn rates, gun camera footage, the data told the story. The Mustangs had flown to Berlin, fought over Berlin, and still made it home. And they had taken the Luftwaffe with them. By dusk, the P-51 Mustangs were circling back over the North Sea, engines straining, wings scarred, drop tanks long gone. Some pilots coasted in with fuel gauges hovering near empty. Others landed with their radios shot out, gun barrels scorched, or cockpit glass peppered with flak. But they landed. They came back. The final tally from March 4, 1944, told a story louder than any headline. Of the 750-plus bombers that flew the mission, over 90% returned. Fighter escort losses were minimal, just a handful of Mustangs shot down. Over 60 German aircraft were destroyed. Most importantly, Berlin had been struck. And the Luftwaffe had failed to stop it. It wasn't just a tactical victory. It was a strategic turning point. Until that day, Berlin had represented a red line, a distant, protected symbol of Nazi invincibility. When bombers were shot down over Bremen or the Ruhr, the message was, "We'll never get further." But now the message was different. We can go anywhere. And we're not coming alone. The Luftwaffe, already strained by losses in Russia and Italy, now faced a new and unsustainable reality, fighting American bombers with no safe zone left. Every approach, every intercept, every climb to altitude was now under threat. The Mustangs hunted them not just near the target, but at the source, over airfields, assembly points, and rendezvous zones. German commanders were stunned. They had underestimated the range, underestimated the aggression. Most of all, they had underestimated how quickly the Mustang would change the tempo of war. Within days, the Reich Air Ministry began reassessing its fighter deployment strategy. Squadrons were pulled back from France and the Balkans to reinforce the interior. Training programs were accelerated. And still it wasn't enough. Because the March 4 mission was only the beginning. More raids would follow. Deeper. Heavier. Escorted every time. And with each new mission, Germany's ability to defend itself from the air eroded further. Factories couldn't produce planes fast enough. Training couldn't replace the dead fast enough. Morale began to crack, not just in the air but across Germany. Even the German public, hearing the